Hey everyone, my name is Jesse and I am this week's winner of the Trade of the Week for my trade on NEO, which was a 1-minute opening range breakout. I want to tell you a little bit about myself and why I choose to be part of the BBT community. First, about me, I've been live trading since July, and that's actually when I started with the BBT or joined the BBT community. I started out with very small share size and risk and have scaled out over time. The last 2 months here I've been at full risk and have managed my trades I would say pretty well. And I can honestly say that's thanks to the BBT team and community. I believe that they've shortened my overall learning curve on trading and likely saved me from making a lot of rookie mistakes. First, the books themselves from Andrew really provide you with a solid framework and groundwork for overall information on trading, whether it's strategies, risk management, platforms, the market itself and how it works. That has been super helpful in just providing basic information. In addition, the website and the Learning Center, if you're a lifetime member, goes into detail with videos and provides you additional supplemental information from the books, which is really great and again helps you learn quite a bit more. I would also say that one of the awesome things about the BBT community are the weekly webinars where different people from various backgrounds provide learning and education for you as a trader, whether it's specific patterns and strategies and setup, how to make a trading plan, risk management, psychology, volume price analytics, you name it. There is a lot of information that the BBT community invests in you as a trader to really learn more about trading and again kind of learning your craft and building your trading career. So with that, I just want to say thank you to the BBT team, the extended BBT family, the chat room, which has been very helpful in my learning and managing of trades. Without you, I'm certain that this journey would have taken quite a bit longer. So I just want to say thank you all. Thanks.